Welcome to the Lawyer's Think Tank. Many a times you must have thought that what do you need to become a successful lawyer in your life? Your answer is here. All you need to do is just develop a set of skills within you. Now, which are these skills? Are they just listening skill, speaking skill, or writing skill? No. As a lawyer, you need to develop some other special skills. Advocacy skills is one of them. So today we are going to see advocacy skills in detail. Basically, advocacy is the practice and skill of a lawyer. It is said to be a skill of persuading. In a nutshell, persuasion skills means the ability to make intentional and successful efforts at influencing someone's mental state through written or verbal communication. Whether it is a college presentation or lawyer's advocacy. Persuasion skills are essential for success in every stage of life. Advocacy also involves convincing people over any case facts. When a legal advisor puts forward a particular argument to a court with a view to persuade the court to come to a decision favorable to their client, it is known as advocacy. It encompasses with a range of abilities including case analysis, drafting, using arguments, making oral submission, and cross-examining witnesses. It is about being able to put forward a strong and persuasive case. So this was just a brief information about advocacy. Now friends, just try to understand it in detail. It begins when an advocate meets a client and continues as the case is prepared by doing research, and then case documents are prepared when it is finally presented for a trial. It is most obviously applicable in context of court litigation. However, it is also extended to arbitration, legal advisors, counselors, etc. An image of an advocate or a lawyer arguing in a court is naturally the first image that comes in mind when we say legal advocacy. In fact, it is the act of pleading for or arguing in favor of something or actively supporting a cause or proposal. It means representing the interests of the client in the best manner possible. It is considered as an art in which lawyers are trained. Advocacy skills are crucial in shaping the outcome of a case. This is what advocacy is. But now you may think that how can we develop this advocacy skills? So now we are going to see the ways to develop advocacy skills. The very first way is mooting. Mooting is one of the best way for developing advocacy skills. It involves all steps necessary in advocacy. It essentially means a mock trial or a mock or dummy court. It is a platform where legal issues are raised by hypothetical court case in a dummy court. In a moot, all the abilities of recording, analyzing, preparing, presenting, and arguing as well as debating are put to the test and developed. It helps in critical thinking as well, and also applying laws to the facts. In a moot, every advocate presented with a case researches and analyzes a moot problem and prepares a skeleton sketch. The advocate then gets a set of time to present the legal argument and respond to any interjections by the moot judges. The aim is to present best argument and be the most persuasive advocate. Mooting helps the individuals to understand their weaknesses and how they can build upon them is also understood by mooting. Another way for individuals to develop their advocacy skills is observing a trial. This is done by the senses of observing, Observing trials develops a confidence among the individuals as they can see real life examples of good and bad advocacy as well. If you notice an advocate putting forward outstanding arguments, ask yourself why their case seems to be so powerful. Make notes and enjoy experience. It becomes a good way to understand what advocacy feels like and witness impressive advocacy skills. Also, other than this, if you develop your drafting skills, it can also help indirectly to develop your advocacy skills. So guys, this was just short information on advocacy skills. If you wish to know about it in detail, please let me know in the comment box. And do share it with your friends who are aspiring lawyers. Thank you.